What is physics? The word physics is taken from the Greek word physis, meaning nature. Thus, physics may be defined as a science which deals with study of nature or natural phenomena. In our daily life, we come across various natural phenomena, for example, regular repetition of rising and setting of sun, seasons of years, formation of clouds and rainfall, wind blow, production of heat by burning of coal, motion of bodies, motion of moon, solar and lunar eclipses, brilliance of soap bubble, etc. On the basis of observations, various explanations of natural phenomena have been given. Various complexities of nature now appear as simple rules. For example, solar eclipse is explained by a simple rule as when moon comes directly between Earth and Sun during their motion, the solar eclipse takes place. According to our present knowledge of physics, it deals with matter, all types of energies, and conversion of mass into energy and vice versa. Accordingly, physics may be defined as follows. Physics is the study of matter, energy, and their equivalents. The physics known so far can be described and understood on the basis of following 5 branches. Number 1. Mechanics. Number 2. Thermodynamics. Number 3. Electromagnetism. Number 4. Relativity. And number 5. Quantum mechanics. Number 1. Mechanics. It deals with the theory of motion of material bodies, also known as objects, at low speed. Number 2. Thermodynamics. It deals with the theory of heat, temperature, and behavior of a system of a large number of particles, usually atoms or molecules. Number 3. Electromagnetism. It deals with the theory of electricity, magnetism, and electromagnetic radiations. These 3 theories were given before 1900 and describe early physics called the classical physics. Relativity. It deals with the theory of motion of particles at high speed, of the order of the speed of light. In fact, it is the theory of invariance of natural laws. Number 5. Quantum mechanics. It deals with the theory of mechanics of submicroscopic particles. The last 2 theories were given after 1900 and come under the head modern physics.